Cinema has always been a gateway to fantastical worlds and extraordinary stories. But behind the scenes, there's an intricate art form that often goes unnoticed by the audience: makeup. Makeup has the power to transform actors into mythical beings, terrifying creatures, or even into completely unrecognizable versions of themselves. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cinema to explore 20 of the most jaw-dropping makeup transformations, peeling back the layers of artistry, technology, and sheer dedication that brought these characters to life. Each transformation is a testament to how makeup is more than just a tool, it's the bridge between imagination and reality. Let's begin with Mystique, the shape-shifting mutant from the X-Men series. When Rebecca Romijn first brought Mystique to life in 2000, the character set a new standard for transformative makeup in film. To create her blue, scale-covered skin, Romijn spent nearly 9 hours standing still as a team of artists painstakingly applied prosthetic scales and body paint. Each scale was individually molded and glued to her skin, creating a layered texture that mimicked reptilian features. Later, when Jennifer Lawrence took over the role, the process was slightly streamlined, but it remained incredibly labor-intensive. The challenge wasn't just the time commitment, it was also ensuring that Mystique's makeup could move naturally during action scenes, reflecting her ability to shapeshift seamlessly. The result? Mystique became a symbol of transformation, her look embodying the themes of identity and acceptance that lie at the heart of the X-Men saga. From mutants to nightmares, Freddy Krueger is a name that still sends chills down spines. Played by Robert Englund, Freddy became the face of horror thanks to his grotesquely burned appearance. The makeup process, designed by Wes Craven's team, was inspired by real-life burn injuries, but pushed to an extreme to create an otherworldly horror. Prosthetic appliances were layered over Englund's face to give the impression of melted, charred skin, while additional details like discolored teeth and bloodshot eyes completed the effect. Freddy's look wasn't just horrifying, it was deeply unsettling, because it straddled the line between reality and fiction. What's more, the makeup evolved subtly across the series, becoming increasingly intricate to reflect Freddy's growing power in the dream world. On the opposite end of the spectrum is Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean. While not as grotesque as Freddy, Jack Sparrow's makeup was equally transformative in crafting an unforgettable character. Johnny Depp collaborated closely with the makeup team to ensure every detail told a story. The smudged eyeliner became a signature, reflecting a life spent squinting into the sun on the high seas. His gold teeth and weathered skin added layers of authenticity, as if Jack had truly lived through decades of piracy. Even his dreadlocked hair was adorned with beads and trinkets that hinted at his adventures. These details not only defined Jack's visual identity, but also became cultural symbols, inspiring countless imitators and Halloween costumes. Speaking of cultural phenomena, few characters have had the impact of the Joker. Heath Ledger's portrayal in The Dark Knight remains one of the most celebrated performances in cinema history, and much of its power lies in the character's makeup. Unlike earlier iterations, which leaned toward a more polished, theatrical look, Ledger's Joker was raw and chaotic. The white face paint was uneven, with streaks, revealing the actor's skin beneath, and the red smile was smudged and cracked, suggesting a man who applied it hastily, almost compulsively. What many don't know is that Ledger often contributed to the makeup process himself, applying the base layer to immerse himself in the Joker's psyche. The result was a look that perfectly encapsulated the character's instability and anarchic philosophy. In the realm of fantasy, Angelina Jolie's transformation into Maleficent is a modern masterpiece. The character's sharp cheekbones, achieved through prosthetic enhancements, became her defining feature, giving her an otherworldly beauty that was both alluring and menacing. Her piercing yellow eyes were brought to life with custom contact lenses, while her crimson lips added a touch of elegance. Even her horns, designed to be lightweight and ergonomic, were a marvel of engineering. Behind the scenes, Jolie worked closely with the makeup team to ensure every detail aligned with the character's dual nature of villain with a surprising depth of humanity. Shifting to the whimsical, Jim Carrey's portrayal of the Grinch in How the Grinch Stole Christmas is another triumph of transformation. The process of turning Carrey into the green-skinned curmudgeon was so intense that the actor reportedly likened it to torture. The full bodysuit, made from dyed yak hair, was heavy and restrictive, while the facial prosthetics, which included a custom-built animatronic nose, required hours of delicate application. To cope with the discomfort, Carrey underwent psychological training to manage his anxiety. Despite these challenges, the final result was extraordinary, bringing Dr. Seuss' classic character to life in a way that was both faithful and fresh. From the fantastical to the frightening, Pennywise the Clown from It is a character that left audiences trembling. Bill Skarsgård's transformation into the sinister clown involved a vintage-inspired design that gave Pennywise an unsettling timelessness. The exaggerated red lines across his face, which extended upward into his forehead, created a perpetual sinister grin, while his unnaturally bright eyes, enhanced by contacts, seemed to pierce directly into the soul. What made this transformation particularly effective was Skarsgård's own contributions, his ability to move his eyes independently and create an eerie smile without CGI elevated the makeup into something truly horrifying. Another remarkable transformation comes from Pan's Labyrinth. Doug Jones, who played the Faun, underwent one of the most complex makeup processes in cinema history. Every aspect of the Faun's appearance, from the twisted horns to the textured skin, was handcrafted to create an ancient, otherworldly creature. The costume weighed over 40 pounds, and Jones had to learn to move gracefully despite its restrictions. Each detail, down to the cracks in the Faun's hooves, was designed to evoke both wonder and unease, perfectly complementing Guillermo del Toro's dark fairy tale aesthetic. Rounding out this incredible journey through cinematic transformations is John Hurt's portrayal of the title character in The Elephant Man. This 1980 classic required Hurt to undergo an arduous makeup process that recreated the severe physical deformities of Joseph Merrick, the real-life inspiration for the story. The prosthetics were so complex that they became a landmark in makeup history, leading to the creation of a new Oscar category for Best Makeup. Hurt's transformation was not just visually stunning, it was emotionally powerful, allowing audiences to connect deeply with the character who might otherwise have been relegated to the realm of monstrosity. These transformations are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the artistry of cinematic makeup. They represent countless hours of work, immense technical skill, and a commitment to storytelling that goes far beyond the surface. Whether creating terror, wonder, or sheer beauty, these makeup artists have proven time and again that they are the true magicians of the silver screen. Which transformation surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the magic of filmmaking. See you next time.